Welcome back to Carl's Kitchen, cooking with Carl and
Naomi,
Naomi is going to be making a.
grilled cheese.
Okay, let's go. Let's show you how Naomi
So-
make her grilled cheese.
So you need some butter, bread, any bread you like, cheese. You can use one or two, a spatula and a knife, a pan. So you can put it on.
Welcome back to Carl's Kitchen, cooking with Carl and.
Naomi,
Okay, Naomi's going to make today a.
grilled cheese.
Okay, let's go.
So you need some butter. You need cheese. You can have two or one, and you can have any bread you want. You need two. A spatula and a pan. So you can put it at 7 or 8. I already left the pan heated. So and you have to put butter in it. So then just put some butter. It's a little. Okay, so just put the bread in the center. Then you just let it cook for a little. While you're cooking, like maybe each 15 seconds, you just look under. And then whenever you wanna think it's good enough, then you can flip it over and put some butter on the pan. So you just check it like this, and you just look under it and see if it's good. So if it's yellow, it means it's like cooking. If it's like brown, it means it's cooked on one side.
You know what? Like I used
But
to watch
you can still let it cook more.
And then I realized why
Because you know some people they like it when it's like darker. So
This, I think, is the best grilled cheese I ever taste. I never eat grilled cheese before from Jamaica, and I never tried that. But when she make it, it tastes so good. You have to really start eating.
okay. So look under it, see it's cooking more. It's like this yellow on the outside. If you want, you can take it off and then put more butter. If it's like all the butter's gone. Or you can like do that and just get the sides of it. So I'm gonna add more butter. See, look, it's cooking.
Brown, yeah. Take it out.
So you just put a little. You don't have to put that much.
Yeah, she's adding a little more butter to it.
You can put on more butter.
Oh, she had a little more butter. That's a special. That's how you do it. Okay. Okay. Ooh.
If you don't keep adding butter, then it's just gonna stick to the pan and you won't be able to get it off.
Oh.
And you can even make grilled cheese with like the back of the bread if nobody eats it. Because I've tried that once and it actually tasted normal.
Nice.
Because I don't actually like the back of the bread. It actually tastes good.
Okay. So is it time to turn it over? Or?
Yep.
Okay. So you take it out. Okay, she take it out and then she puts some more butter. Wow. All right. Butter or margarine, I guess, right? Anyone? Okay. See, look at that. That's it. And just flip it. I guess she's gonna flip it over and put it on the other side. Yeah. Whoa. Look good, man. That look nice. Wow, look at that. Oh.
So when you flip it over, you have to look at it more because the stove is warm now. Because it's like more heated. See, it's already cooking. You have to put a little more butter. If it doesn't get like all over the bread, you have to put more butter. So you don't have to wait like a minute, because a minute's too long to check it after. So you have to wait for 3 seconds. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put a little more butter.
Why?
Because it's not going all over the bread. You just put more butter. It's not all over the bread. You see the smoke, you just have to wait. It's gonna go away after. And you just go like this. If it's not all over.
The other people paid for his registration.
You can also see the bubbles there. And it's like cooking with the butter. So it's going on the sides. You see it like it's dark and it's like it's the butter. So I think it's good now. Just gonna take it off. Now move your pan. Maybe just cut it like this if you want. You can cut it in 4 too. I'm gonna cut it in 4.
Wow, that's nice. That's grilled cheese, Naomi style. Look how beautiful that look like. That's nice, beautiful. All right, so that's Naomi's grilled cheese sandwich. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. Thank you, Naomi, for making your grilled cheese this morning. That's Cooking with Naomi and Carl. With Carl Kitchen. Thank you. Bye.